We could have saved Star Wars.
There's been no one for so long. Who are you?
I'm Ray.
Ray who?
Ray Skywalker.
If only Disney had come to Libertad Communications and our elite team of professional beta readers, we could have told them that Rey's parents really mattered to the story, and so did Snoke's origins. You can't write a story and publish and then make up the backstory later. Writers for Writers would have highlighted the fact that a lead character, a protagonist with no flaws or vulnerabilities, is just frankly boring. We would have mentioned that conflict between characters just for the sake of conflict is depressing, and that plot must be driven by the characters, not by the writer. Not if you want your readers to believe the characters. Of course, in the end, Disney found out. The fans told them, but it was too late by then. They'd already published at a cost of $306 million, and in the process destroyed the franchise. If you are a writer or an author and you want to make your work the best that it can be and save a ton of money at the same time, watch this video to the end. Now, once upon a time, publishers offered an organic service that worked with their writers. Having an editor was a lot like having your own personal Mr. Miyagi to tell you how to wax on and wax off.
First wash all the car, then wax. Wax.
Wait, what do I have to wash all the car?
Remember, dear, no question.
Yeah, but
Right. Wax on, right hand. Wax off, left hand.
But sadly, in today's one-size-fits-all world, authors write whatever comes into their head, and when they're done, they pay someone to edit their spelling mistakes, hopefully, and then they publish in that order. If they do get someone to read their work, it's usually just for a review, and unfortunately, that is literary suicide.
That's low. Low. Low.
If you pay someone to edit your work before you've had it read by a professional beta reader, you are wasting your money, killing your book, and retarding your evolution as a writer. Let me tell you why.
Post.
Happy boy.
Editing an unread book means that you will be paying to edit words that shouldn't be there, that you will regret later. That's like paying for your wedding before your first date. Beta readers give you a chance to really get to know your book or script or copy, and they make sure that you're telling the story that you intend to tell. Working with the detailed reports you receive from Writers for Writers at Libertad Communications, You get to build your skills as a writer, and by customizing the questions that are given to our beta readers, you're able to really zoom in on the areas that matter to you. And that bears repeating. Working with the Writers for Writers elite team of beta readers is like working with an old-fashioned publisher. We will go through your first draft and give you a chapter by chapter or section by section report that includes your own customized questions at a fraction of the cost of editing. And what makes our beta readers so elite, all of our beta readers have passed an in-house comprehensive reading test that includes reading comprehension, style, dialogue, and poetry. And they have received extensive technical training. Most importantly, they have all signed a binding non-disclosure agreement with Libertad Communications Limited that protects us, our authors, and their work. Get in touch today and take advantage of our free 15-minute video consultation. Don't forget to ask for a free copy of our guides on editing, beta reading, and the lies of the publishing industry.